And to better understand the objectives, the teachers can use the two-dimensional taxonomy table created by Anderson and colleagues, which combine the cognitive processes and the knowledge dimension. We know that Anderson and colleagues, Anderson, Krathwohl, Erasian, revised the previous taxonomy by Bloom, and the main difference between their taxonomy and the previous one is they combine the cognitive processes C1, C2 until C6 with the four knowledge dimension, which is the factual, conceptual, procedural, and metacognitive. This is the taxonomy table introduced by Anderson and colleagues. Next. So, for each educational objective, a teacher can determine the intersection, the cell between the cognitive processes in the column with the dimension of the knowledge dimension in the row. So they can determine the learning objectives more accurately. For example, in social studies learning in upper primary education, SMP, IPS SMP, there is a educational objective, or the KD, kompetensi dasar, analyzing changes within the social and cultural life of Indonesia in facing globalization to strengthen the nation's life. So when we put this statement of objectives into the table, we see that the cognitive level required for students in this objective is they are able to analyze what? They need to analyze changes within the social and cultural lives. So in this educational objective, a student needs to analyze factual knowledge. So we can divide this statement into two big parts. Analyzing is the cognitive processes, and the changes, blah blah blah, is the factual knowledge, the knowledge dimension. What we need to be cautious that sometimes teacher cannot directly determine to which cognitive level a KD belongs to. We cannot judge a KD belongs to, for example, understanding level by only reading the first action verb. We need to read all the sentence before we decide which level of cognitive a KD or objective belongs to. So to determine the appropriate cognitive level of KD, the teacher needs to read the whole sentence and compare with the definition of each cognitive processes.